In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden chats in PolyBuzz AI. We'll walk through the quickest way to bring a hidden conversation back into view, starting from a fresh browser session so you can follow along easily. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. This is simply the fastest way to get to the official PolyBuzz site without mistyping the address. In the search bar, type PolyBuzz and hit enter. In the results, click the official PolyBuzz website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and log into the account where your chats live before moving on. Once you're inside PolyBuzz, don't worry if the conversation area looks empty or stripped down. That's usually what it looks like when chats are hidden. PolyBuzz can collapse or tuck conversations away to help keep your workspace clean, so what you're seeing is normal and easy to fix. Look to the upper right corner of the screen for your profile. It's typically a small circular avatar or an icon with your initials. Click that profile icon to open a quick menu. This menu is where PolyBuzz keeps shortcuts to your key items, including your characters. In PolyBuzz, a character is the AI persona or assistant you've been chatting with. Each character often corresponds to a chat thread, so finding your character is the key to restoring the conversation. In the profile menu, locate the character you want to bring back. If you have several, take a moment to identify the one linked to the hidden conversation you're after. If you don't see it immediately, try scrolling the menu or looking for a search field if it's available. Make sure you're on the right account, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal projects. Now simply click on that character. The moment you do, PolyBuzz will reopen the associated chat and display the full conversation again. This action effectively unhides the thread so it appears where you expect to find it. From here, you can continue your conversation, review previous messages, or pin the chat if the platform offers that option, which helps keep important threads visible. If the chat doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and repeat the click on your profile icon. Also check your internet connection and confirm you're signed into the correct workspace. That's all there is to it. Using your profile menu to select the right character is the fastest way to find and reopen hidden chats in PolyBuzz AI.